Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's been a while, so I'm happy to be back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this lovely quilted jacket. It's so comfy and it's so cute, and I got gifted this really nice book, Sewing the Curve, from the Cashmerette on Instagram. And I'm going to be showing you how I made the Fairfax jacket. So let's come along and yeah, this book is just amazing. It's for beginners and it has so much information and it has a lot of patterns included as well, and it's just perfect to start to learn how to sew. So I would definitely recommend getting this book. It's absolutely awesome. I traced the pattern, I didn't film that, but I didn't want to cut into the original. And then I started cutting out the pattern on this lovely lilac floral fabric. It's so cute and I love it. It's very soft as well. And yeah, I'm just cutting everything out, making sure it fits. But then I'm just cutting out the sleeves, and then I'm cutting all the pattern pieces out of this batting as well. And also from the lining fabric. So for every pattern piece I've got like 3 layers, and then I'm pinning everything together. So here I'm pinning one of the sleeves, like pinning together all the 3 layers, because I'm going to be quilting the pattern pieces before I'm going to be sewing them together. So I just chose to do diagonal lines. I didn't want to do any cross lines. I just like the look of this. And I've never like quilted anything before, so yeah, I just thought this was like a fairly easy start. It's also a really easy jacket to make, and yeah, so here I'm just sewing together the sleeve, and I'm going to be working on the bodice as well. So I'm pinning together the shoulders and then the side seams, and then I'm going to be sewing those together as well. I didn't show quilting the entire like all the pattern pieces because it's just the same over and over again. So yeah, then I'm just sewing together the bodice. And I'm cutting away a bit of the excess fabric, so it's like there's as little fabric on the seam as possible, so it's not very bulky. And then I'm just making sure the edges of the bodice are straight and like all the pattern pieces are lining up. And I wanted this jacket to be reversible, so I chose to do some bias tape on the lining, like on the inside of the jacket. So on every seam I'm like sewing bias tape, and it's this really pretty blue bias tape against the green lining, and I just thought that was really nice. Sewing the bias tape on one side and then top stitching it in place. Just pinning it in place before sewing it, obviously. And I found these sewing clips, and they're so handy, like for bulky projects like this. I can't go back to just pins anymore. So then I'm just pinning the sleeves in and making sure those are lined up as well. And I'm going to be sewing the sleeves onto the jacket right here. And then I am doing a bias tape along the entire edge of the jacket, if that's what it's called, like the front edge, the bottom, the neckline, like the entire edge is just bias tape. And I've got this really cute lilac one as well, it matches perfectly. So yeah, I'm just stitching that on one side and then pinning it. But yeah, this takes a long time because it's such a long edge as well. And then it's time to top stitch the bias tape as well. Yeah, just sewing along the entire edge again, making sure it's all nice and lined up. Yeah. And then I sewed in my own label, and then I sewed those little bows on the front as well to just close it. And I sewed some bias tape around the arm, like the armholes as well. And yeah, I just love how this turned out. It's so cute, and it's very warm as well. And I love that this jacket is reversible as well. The inside fabric was a secondhand fabric that I dyed myself, which I didn't do a great job at dyeing. As you can see, it's very splotchy. I didn't want to let it go to waste, and I think it's the perfect project for this. It looks really good quilted, and I love the blue bias tape with it as well. I just love this pattern. It's so fun and easy, and it's very versatile because you can make, like, it's longer as well. It has the option to come with pockets, and this book I just recommend for anyone that's like starting their sewing journey, or like wants to get a little bit more information, and it's just, yeah, it's the best. So thanks for watching. Follow Cashmerette as well, and I hopefully see you next time.